My message for those who want to join orgs is to just do it. Nike.
Sumali ako sa UP EDSOC that time kasi gusto kong magkaroon ng friends. And also kasi sila ay nasa college namin, so sila yung malapit.
I wanted a home org. It was interesting for me how close they were, and bonus na rin na they were advocating for Filipino architecture.
So my course doesn't necessarily have home orgs. So I applied for PMS. The start of my freshman year, I wanted to go into medicine.
Sumali ako sa Sinagbayan kasi dahil sa interest bilang isang musician at syempre dahil sa advocacy niya para sa mga peasant or farmers natin.
First sem of my first year, so talagang I was still very sheltered. I didn't know anyone in UP. Siguro my fear was since that was the first org I joined. If I didn't vibe with that org, I wouldn't vibe with anyone else for the rest of my college life.
Actually, nung una wala naman akong fear. Siguro baka maging hinder lang siya or sa ACADS ko, yun yung kinakatakot ko. So baka mag-defer ako or something.
I definitely think an org app process should still be challenging kasi the challenging part of an app process gets to see how dedicated you actually are into getting into the org and how it will show how you will work as a member in the future.
From someone na medyo difficult yung naging app process, or like, at least for me, mas naging worth it siya sa dulo kasi parang pinag-effortan ko talaga siya.
For me, kailangan hindi siya mabigat pero nandun yung pag-immerse dun sa org na sinalihan mo.
Sa karanasan ko sa Sinagbayan, bilang isa siyang mass org, so wala siyang application process. Orientation lang, tapos kasali na agad ako. Siguro maganda nga rin yung ganon, lalo na sa mga organizations na for a cause o may pinaglalaban.
Siguro sa org, 40%, sa ACADS talaga 60%. Para kung aligaga kapag meron akong ACADS pang natitira, gano'n.
I learned from orgs na you can be an ACADS and LACADS person. You can have fun but still be amazing in academics.
Siguro 70-30, 70 sa org, 30 sa ACADS. Nakikita ko yung yung kahalagahan ng pinaglalaban ng Sinagbayan bilang peasant advocates. Talagang ina-exert ko yung effort ko more sa org kesa sa ACADS.
The work that you're able to do in an org can translate into soft and hard skills that you're able to do in work opportunities.
Yung network na mabubuo mo kapag sumali ka sa org is mahalaga at malaki talaga. Ang message ko lang sa mga gustong sumali sa org, huwag kayong matakot. Make sure din na you put effort sa org na yun and also sa mga taong nandun.
Go lang, sumali lang kayo sa mga organization dahil napakahalaga ng collective action para makuha yung mga goals natin.
Kailangan mo lang mahanap yung right balance between org and work, and at the same time, you just need to find the right people.